Last month, Tesla watchers were blindsided after a photo emerged of 10 guys brandishing shovels, supposedly breaking ground on a brand new manufacturing plant in Northern California. So what's actually going on? Is Elon Musk moving Tesla production back to the Golden State? And if so, why? Join us today as we don a hard hat and high-vis jacket to find out what is Tesla's new Megafactory. For reasons best known to himself, Elon Musk decided it wasn't worth announcing his newest venture in a typically splashy fashion. So it was left to the mayor of Lathrop, one Sunny Dhaliwal, to tell the world about Megafactory via a mildly cringy photo on a Facebook post. "We are proud to be the home of the Megafactory, Tesla's most recent expansion," gushed Dhaliwal's post. "The future of green energy will be produced right here in our community," it went on. "This development means more prosperity for our city, more employment opportunities for our residents, and a brighter future for our planet." Tesla is actually an old friend of the small Northern California city, population about 23,000. According to a recent SEC filing, Elon Musk's company already owns a 500,000 square foot building in Lathrop, about an hour east of Tesla's more famous Fremont factory. In addition, Tesla holds long-term leases on at least 3 more buildings in town, covering in total more than 1 million square feet. This includes an existing 870,000 square foot Tesla distribution center. But wait, Tesla's in the business of gigafactories, right? Vast monuments to the unbeatable might of sheer industrial scale. Why would Musk suddenly be interested in the presumably smaller Megafactory? Because this isn't a car factory, it's just for making batteries. Although widely perceived in the public imagination as an automaker, Tesla's mission statement is, more broadly, to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. You'll probably already know about Tesla's Powerwall and Powerpack battery solutions, designed to store energy for later use in domestic or small business applications. This new Megafactory will instead produce Megapacks. A Megapack, since you ask, is a container-sized 3 megawatt-hour battery system with integrated modules, inverters, and thermal systems. Launched 2 years ago, Megapack's scale, substantially greater than that of Powerwall or Powerpack, is intended to serve the utilities industry. So if you're running a solar or wind farm, a Megapack, or more likely a small network of Megapacks, will help you store energy during low demand periods, to be released onto the grid at the time of most need. This is called renewable smoothing and is widely seen as an essential remedy for the inherently intermittent nature of most renewable energy sources. Megapacks are already being installed in the field. Last month, the Arizona electric utility Salt River project brought online a 100 megawatt-hour Megapack project. Utility firm Pacific Gas and Electric Company has constructed a 182.5 megawatt system with the help of Tesla at an electric substation in Moss Landing near Monterey that should be operational before the end of this year. To date, Megapacks have been manufactured on a comparatively modest scale, as something of a sideline at Tesla's Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. This new Lathrop facility will be the first factory dedicated entirely to Megapack production, and possibly other battery models, suggesting confidence that this part of the Tesla empire looks a viable prospect going forward. Certainly, Megapacks look attractive to the burgeoning renewables sector. They require 40% less space and 10 times fewer parts than existing storage systems. They're 60% more energy dense pound for pound than a Powerpack. And they can be installed, according to Tesla anyway, 10 times faster. The whole thing can be handily shipped anywhere like a regular shipping container. Megapack already has supplemental kits such as battery modules, bidirectional inverters, thermal management systems, and complex controls as standard. So how much demand does Tesla anticipate there might be for this awesome but comparatively niche product? Well, clearly enough that it's worth building a new factory. Back in June on a quarterly earnings call, Elon Musk told investors in his view there was significant unmet demand for utility-scale storage products like Megapack. Megapack alone, Musk said, is already basically sold out through next year, and he estimated demand for his domestic Powerwall could soon top 1 million units per year. In fact, Musk indicated he'd be shipping a whole lot more of these outsized batteries were it not for the ongoing global semiconductor shortage. "We use a lot of the same chips in the Powerwall as you do in a car, so it's like, which one do we want to make?" he apparently said on the call. Cars or Powerwalls? "We need to make cars, so Powerwall production has been reduced." If you're a utility company looking to invest in a Megapack, they can be pre-ordered on Tesla's website right now for around a cool $1 million each. And in case you're thinking that photo of 10 men holding spades looks a little less than legit, Tesla's website is also advertising dozens of serious jobs for the forthcoming Lathrop facility. So Tesla's forthcoming Megafactory will be in the business of producing Megapack batteries in order to smooth mankind's transition to renewable energy sources. Fingers crossed there's enough superconductors to go around by then. What do you think? Will Elon's Megafactory be a decisive game changer in the wholesale switch to renewables? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-energy tech content.